How to use rotate command. This command is very useful in AutoCAD. So let's start with example. I have this object. I have this wash basin. If I want to rotate from this wall to this wall, so how can we rotate this one? So we learn with example. I have this command, rotate command. I will select draw panel, select from mouse. Then which object I want to rotate, I will select. First I will select this object, then right click from mouse and give the specify the point which side you want to rotate. I give the specify the point. You see, you go to another wall. Again I want to right side, you can go there. Your cursor go to left side, this right side. You see, you can rotate where you want this object. You can easily rotate this wash basin. Before is here, this location. If I want to rotate, you can rotate this one easily. Now I want to this location, click mouse again. You see, this one is use of rotate. This command is I have is shortcut key from keyboard. Again I will use rotate command. Again I will learn rotate command with shortcut key R O T. You see, this one is rotate command is shortcut ROT, then press enter. Again you will select the object, give the specify the first point. I give the specify this one, this point, and you see this one is you can rotate this one. So this is the use of rotate command. Thank you.